in our backyard.
Yep, we're at our house. Look at that cicada. I'm gonna name him Dude.
Okay.
Hi, Dude. This is our little habitat that we're gonna look at him in. Now we're gonna show you. It's a strawberry thing that we fed to our chickens over there. There were some moldy strawberries in there, so we fed them to the chickens and turned that into a habitat. Look at that cicada. Man, he's big. Elliot, do you want to hold him?
Sure.
Okay, so we're gonna open this right here. Grant, why don't you open this and give it to Elliot? It's hard to open. Grant, so we're just gonna put him up like so. Grant, you wanna hold him? No. Elliot, hold him like that. Use his wings, not hard though. You got him? Oh, he was shaking. He's flicking. Gotta get a good hold of him. Nah, if we flip him over, this isn't gonna harm him in any way. But you see, that I think that right there
That's
is
his eye right there.
those are his eyes, yeah. They're on the side of his head, and ours are placed in the front.
Here,
Almost all animals have their
You want to put it on?
eyes placed in the side. No, I'm gonna hold it.
Why aren't there eyes on the side?
So that they can see predators on either side. Except spiders. They have, well, eyes in front, back, all over. 8 eyes. That's creepy. Just like that jumping spider we saw. Now, if you look right here, there are those little plates. What are those, Daddy? Could you tell us what they are?
Nope.
Good.
I think they're its
It's a
guts.
mystery.
I think they're the guts.
So,
Let me see.
So, if you were to find a dead one of these and you were like, hey, I want to see its skeleton, you can actually see its skeleton even on a living one. Because they don't have a skeleton, they have an exoskeleton. So, there's 6 legs, that's how you know it's an insect. 6 legs and wings and 2 little antennas. I know. That right there is his mouth, those whiny things. So, yeah. Grant, why don't you let him go?
Let's put him on pants.
Grant, pick him up, put him on the tree. Pick him up, put him on the tree.
I don't want to.
I'll do it. We're the explorers. Always keep exploring.